implicit function. Implicit function. Functions. Implicit functions which are functions which are not solved to by. Example is sin square y plus x square or equals to 4x. These functions are implicit function, so they cannot be simplified to 4y. y के लिए सॉल्व नहीं हो सकते, इस टाइप के क्या होते हैं implicit function. तो डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ implicit function के लिए आप सीधे डिफरेंशिएट विद रेस्पेक्ट टू x. with respect to x, function sin square by differentiation of d upon dx of sin square by plus differentiation of x square and differentiation of 4x. Function of function power 2 sin y and differentiation of sin y. Function of function plus differentiation of x square is 2x and 4 into x का differentiation 1. Again differentiate 2 sin y के लिए cos y and minus into dy upon dx plus 2x is equals to 4. Solve it for dy upon dx. dy upon dx के solve करेंगे 2 sin y cos y जितना है sin 2y. 2 sin y cos y 2 sin y cos y is greater than sin 2y. Therefore, sin 2y dy upon dx plus 2x equals to 4. By transformation, sin 2y dy upon dx is equals to 4 minus 2x and dy upon dx is equals to 4 minus 2x upon sin 2y. This is differentiation of given implicit function sin square y plus x square plus 4x. तो और दूसरा था लॉगरिथम फंक्शन. लॉगरिथम फंक्शन के लिए तो लॉगरिथम कन्वर्टेड टू implicit function. लॉगरिथम फंक्शन y is equals to fx का exponent gx. A function of base and exponent both are variable of x. Then called logarithm function. A logarithm function converted into implicit function, then differentiate the implicit function. For example, y is equals to x की power x. Base x also a function of x and exponential x is also function of x. So they are called logarithm function. Function की power function. Taking log both sides. Taking log both sides. Log y is equals to x log x. Logarithm function is converted into implicit function. Then differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of log y. So differentiation of log y is equal to differentiation of x log x. अभी function of function. Log y is a function of function और ये going to be a product of the function. ub का dash is equal to ub dash plus bu dash. ये आपको बताएगा product of two functions. तो log y का differentiation 1 upon y and differentiation of y dy upon dx is equal to u differentiation of log x plus v differentiation of x dy upon dx is equal to y transpose the y x into differentiation of log x is 1 upon x and log x x का differentiation 1 dy upon dx. Put y is equal to x की power x की power x cancel 1 plus log x. This is answer है logarithmic function का differentiation. So logarithmic functions converted into implicit functions. Each logarithmic function. Next example. एक और एग्जाम्पल देखिए. x raised to power y and y raised to power x. Question. Example number 13, part first. X and y both are function of x, and y and x are both are function of x. X की power y equals to y की power x. Taking log both sides. Taking log both sides. Log of x की power y और log of y raised to power x. Logarithmic formula is log n raised to power n, then n log m. So y log x is equal to x log y. This function, logarithmic function, converted into implicit function. Differentiate with respect to x. Unit to be y differentiation of log x, character become 1 upon x plus log x into dy upon dx is equals to x. Differentiation of log y is 1 upon y, and y का differentiation upon dy upon dx plus log y और differentiation of x is 1. log x dy upon dx minus x upon y dy. Transposition connected in terms of dy upon dx in same sides is equals to log y minus y upon x. dy upon dx take out common. This log x minus x upon y is equals to log y minus y upon x, and solve the for dy upon dx. dy upon dx से solve करेंगे तो dy upon dx is equals to log y minus y upon x upon log x minus x upon y. LCM x log y minus y upon x upon y log x minus x upon y. Therefore, dy upon dx is equals to x log y minus y upon x multiplied by reciprocal of denominator. So y upon y log x minus x. This is written as y into x log y minus y multiplied by upon x into y log x minus 1. This is differentiation of y with respect to x.